Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can keep the Facebook Business Manager access to anyone or remove the access. First, open a web browser. I open here Chrome. Now type business.facebook.com in the address bar. Then click on enter. Once the page is loaded, the business suite will be open. And from here you need to select the business manager. For example, I want to give of this business manager access. In the right side of the business manager name have a gear icon. Need to click on this icon. After this, the business setting will be open. From here, you need to click on invite people to give access. And here need to type the person email address. Let me type the email address. And here is the important note. If you want to keep the full control access, you have to keep disable the temporary access. So here I keep it disable, then click on next. And from here I have to turn on the full control access because I want to keep the full control access of the user. Then click on next. Then you don't need to select any of asset from here because we are keeping the full control access. Then click on next and invite with 0 asset. Now the user will be get all of the asset access, and here you can see the status is now invited. That means the user get the access in his email address. Now he have to just accept the access. And one more thing, if you are see here need attention, then you have to approve the access. If you are not the owner of this business manager, you need to contact with the business manager owner and you need to approve from the business manager owner to give the full control access of this user. Okay, and yeah, this is the overall thing how you can give the Facebook Business Manager access. And if you want to remove anyone, you can just simply click on 3 dot and you can remove from here. Okay, you can see remove from business portfolio, then remove. Okay, that's it. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any confusion, you can comment this on the comment box. Have a good day.